How to get the LinkedIn profile link for adding it on resume. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're confused on how to get the profile link to add up to a resume or CV, here is a quick tutorial. First of all, open any of your browser and go to linkedin.com and log in into your account. Once you do so, tap on the profile icon which is written as Me. Click on the drop-down menu and click on View Profile. This way, you will get two options. The first one is profile language and next is public profile and URL. Tap on the edit button and you can edit the URL as well. Or you could just simply tap on or copy the URL and paste it on your resume and CV. Additionally, you can also mention the name that is given as your LinkedIn ID and you are good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.